So today we're gonna be doing a cars ramp race. Here's the bracket and here's the ramp. It's not that good, but we had to find a setup. So it's basically an air blower on top. And here are the standings. So let's get to it. So in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, looks like Lightning won. He spun out after, but 68 spun out first. So
next up, we have
Danny Suarez versus Francesco Bernoulli. And you stop. Here are the standings, and Lightning is ahead and in the semifinals. So with that, we're gonna get started with Francesco versus Danny Suarez. Okay, so here is Francesco versus Danny Suarez. Ooh, that's really close. Oh,
we might have to check the replay
I think
center.
It might be Danny Suarez.
Yeah, well, we'll check the replay center.
Okay, here's the replay. I don't know. Okay. I think. Oh no, that was definitely Francesco. Francesco wins that round, and he's in the semis. Here is the bracket so far. We have Sally and Jackson Storm up next. So we're gonna get that started in a little. Okay, so here we go in 3, 2, 1. And Jackson Storm wins that one.
Yep.
We'll
get you to the next one.
Okay, so here's the bracket again. Jackson Storm won. And we are moving on to the next one, which is Bobby Swift versus Finn Missile. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that's Bobby Swift, I think, by an inch.
Bobby.
Okay, so here's the bracket, and it is in the semifinals. So it's Lady McQueen versus Francesco, and then after that, it'll be Jackson Storm versus Bobby Swift. So let's get to that. 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh, that is really close.
Lightning. Barely.
I think it's Lightning.
Yeah.
Barely.
So we'll tune you up for the next one, I guess. Again.
Here is the replay, well, not really replay, but the clip, and here it is. Lightning wins just by a little. So the next people versing each other is Bobby Swift and Jackson Storm. Okay, here is the bracket. I think I said that a bunch of times, but Jackson Storm and Bobby Swift are up next, and Lightning is in the finals. 3, 2, 1, go! Jackson Storm's in the finals with McQueen. Wow, what an amazing upset. Well, not really upset, but Bobby Swift is really fast, so he lost to Jackson Storm. Well, that wasn't surprising because he's so fast too. Here is the finals right now. So it's McQueen versus Storm up next. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh! We'll have to replay that.
Yeah, we're gonna have to replay that.
Oh. I don't know. Wow. We checked the replay, as you've seen. Sorry about that cutscene if you couldn't see very good. And my finger was in it. But Jackson Storm is the winner. Wow, what an amazing race. And we also have to do the losers race for Francesco and Bobby Swift to see who came in third. Okay, so here is the loser race. We are going to be doing 3 loser races. So to determine who comes in third. So 3, 2, 1. Bobby Swift with the win, and Francesco didn't even pass the finish line. So that was amazing. Bobby Swift, one more race if Bobby Swift wins. He is the champion, but 2 more races if Francesco wins. So here is the second race. If Bobby Swift wins, he comes in 3rd. If Francesco wins, there's 1 more race. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that is so close, but I think it was Bobby. Bobby Swift with the win. Here's the winning circle, all the standings, and it's McQueen 2nd, Jackson Storm 1st, and Swift comes in 3rd. See you in the next one. Like and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.